good morning. And this is a treat. I'm going to do something I never do because I want to show you guys. I'm going to ask permission first. Blessed be. And we're going to take a very quick little tour of the structure. I don't know why I'm whispering. Look at that. I don't want Cyber to mess up anything. Come on, go down, sweetie, come on. Look at that. Here we are. Sorry, guys. Trying to show you without dropping the phone and dropping Cyber. Cyber, go down, please. Oops, go. Come on, out. Good boy. Sorry, guys. Just trying to show you. I'm not going to go beyond that point because I can't unless I step over that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's step around. Here we go. It's beautifully woven. And I've shown you this, and it's been a couple of weeks. Let's step out now. I'm showing the best I can, you guys. I'm not a good photographer at all, or videographer. It's so beautiful. All right, let's walk this way. Oh, isn't that marvelous? That is a cool structure, dude. How's that? It got dark all of a sudden, sorry. Let's go over here. It's pretty. Let's walk over here. Good boy, Sai. As you can see, there's a doodad there. And a little doodad over there where Sai is. Looks like that might have just fallen. Oh, why my camera got so dark all of a sudden. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the opposite side. There we go. Isn't that pretty? It's a really fantastic structure. Thank you, friends. Thank you for sharing. I'm going to leave a gift and say a prayer.